Happy Saturday, y'all. Welcome all my new subscribers too. It's all love over here. Just want to show you, I didn't get very much today. I actually spent $30 in a dollar store though. I wish I had one of those $5 off. But anyway, I got these 2 storage containers because I bought up a lot of things like lighting and things, like if we ever have a power outage or hurricanes or whatever. And so I got it stacked in this crate. But I need to put that away in storage boxes. So I got 2 of these with $13.50 each at the dollar store. I probably could have got it cheaper at Walmart. I just went for Walmart today. Also, I went on their dollar aisle. I got some of these. I'm actually going to use these. Supposed to be shot glass. I'm actually using these for mouthwash. Actually, that's what I'm using them for. I got 2 of these. This come from the dollar aisle. These bleach tabs. I just want to see what they do for the toilet. I got this little scrubbing brush thing just to. I had one of these already, but it was just $1, so I wanted to get another one. Put in my bucket. This I got for work. Some hand soap. I have different kind. I'm getting ready to move, so I'm just gonna put this and leave it in the office where we're coming from. And then I got some Gain softener that I use as a spray. And I got 5 of these. I love these Kotex U panty liners. Yeah, keep you fresh all day. Switch them up, everything. So I got my celery. Guess what I'm making, y'all? I got celery, green onion, yellow onion, bell pepper, the Restock dressing mix, corn kits, pet milk. I only got this because I don't have any, and every once in a while, if I need it for something, I'll have it. And I got chicken gizzards. Oh, and I got this fish fry Zatarans because I used the last. When I used the last, I like to go ahead and replace it. And that is actually, oh, and I bought 1 thing of garlic. Because y'all know I've been using the minced garlic in a jar. But I wanted the fresh garlic for my dressing. And that's all I had. This stuff right here at the store was $20, $21. And then this stuff over here was $30 because of these crates were $13.50 each. But I needed them. They were right there. And it's so hot till, and usually I go to a lot of stores and save $5, not in this heat. Alright, y'all, that's all I have. I just want to stop by and say hi again. Welcome all my new subscribers. Y'all stay safe, stay hydrated, take frequent breaks if you're working out in that heat, and make someone smile. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey, y'all. Quick video. I got me some chicken thighs, y'all. Look. $3.72 and $3.76. They're 77 cents a pound. So I'm gonna get some more of those. That's a very good buy. I got the bunny hot dog and the hamburger buns. They're $1.99. I just got the hot dog today though. I got some hamburger buns that are actually in the refrigerator. I had bought some meat hamburger patties from Sam's. But y'all know I season my patties, so I had to season them. And I got some extra gum. I got the bun size. I usually get the beef, but these taste, ballpark taste just as good as the beef. These taste just as good as the beef. My son didn't have any more Pop-Tarts. This is the kind he liked. I got him some Honey Nut Cheerios, a different theme, but it's the same. I mean, y'all, this cereal was $6. I should have went ahead and went to gone to Sam's because I get $8 for the, but I go the weekend. I take my brother. I got my whole milk. Y'all, they had milk and they expired September the 3rd. I was like, that's this weekend. I'm not buying that. And these little flavor bombs were $1.97. I love these. I could just eat these by themselves. Nothing on them. Just plain. Just eat them. And they're good for you too. Tomatoes are. Alright, y'all. That's all I have. Not much. I just wanted to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. Just show all the little things I buy. It is so hot. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Happy Saturday. Today is September 2nd, so I stopped by the store. Well, I went to take my brother to the store. Came back, took my son to get his haircut. Brought him back home, and then I went back to Sam's. So I didn't get very much, but I love to go ahead and get the Ziploc bags because they last a long time. So I got the, what size are these? The quart, you get 216, and the gallon, you get 152. So these will last me the rest of this year. I like to get that broccoli. Normally, this is the freshest frozen vegetables at Sam's to me. And I don't steam them in the bag. I take them out of the bag and put them in my pot with a little steamer basket. I got my apples. We're off Monday, so I just got 4 of them. These were $5 for 4 apples. Not really bad. But y'all know I've been trying to eat healthier and everything. And I was reading an article yesterday when I went to Yahoo to check my mail. It was saying that apples, watermelon, and I think strawberries? No. apples, watermelon, and maybe mango. They were saying that these vegetables cause your body to swell. And I was like, well, maybe that's why my stomach kind of stick it out. Because y'all not eat apples every day, and you think that, I don't know. But that's what they said. They're good for you, but it's something in them that causes your body inflammation. Yeah. My brother left his eggs, so I went ahead and bought them to my house, and I'll make sure that he gets them. I got the ragu spaghetti sauce from Sam's, because I mean, I was so hungry this morning, still hungry. So I'm gonna hurry up and do this so I can eat. But I'm running out of options of things to cook, you know. So one day we're gonna do spaghetti. But anyway, so they had some seasoning packets on sale. So y'all know I'll be buying the chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breasts and thighs, and I have plenty of them. And so I'm trying to find different things, because grilled is okay. I like to make the chipotle bowl with them. I like to make like the honey mustard chicken sandwiches or whatever, but I just wanted to try something different. So they had these packets here for 99. Well, I thought 99 cents, but the pad thai one, this one was actually $2.69. So this, I have the coconut curry, the pad thai. I got 2 of the sweet and sours, and I got 1 of the lemon grass and basil. And so all you do is cook this, and the pad thai, you put it over noodles. The other ones you can put over some rice. And I got some basmati rice to eat that with, because they say it's low on the glycemic index. So I'm just trying to eat better. And that is really all I have. Kroger had a sale, but I hadn't done my digital coupon, so I'm gonna have to go over there and do that. So whatever I get, I'll come back and share it. But y'all, I have a testimony, and I'm gonna give it soon. I am, but I keep saying this, and like I said, I don't come on here to belittle, to judge anybody or anything. But I tell you, when you put your total trust in God, oh my God, I'm telling you, He'll put you in a place of so much peace. And so I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna share my testimony, and I just hope it helps somebody. Some of what I'm gonna tell you, you've been hearing here lately. It's just, whoo, I remember people used to say, and I even say it now, you speak things into existence, and seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all things will be added unto you. Y'all, when I tell you, speak things that's not as though they were. Whew. Anyway, y'all, it's hot. I've been out to the stores. I left home at about I think I had my brother before 8 o'clock, and I'm just not getting home. And I think it may be 1. But like I said, I had to stop and take care of, get my son's haircut and stuff like that, and then coming back home, dropping him off. So, but I got everything done I need to get done. Y'all, it was so hot out there I sweat in my head. The back of my hair is wet. Yeah. So this is the type of weather you can't go 2 weeks with that same hair. Well, I can't. I have to wash my hair every week. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Oh, and welcome my new subscribers. And thank you all. I'm getting more views. Not very many more. But I've gone from 20 to 40. But like I said, when you know whose you are, all that other stuff don't matter. I talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.
You are my sun. You are my sunshine.